Hi, this is Chris Newmarker. I'm executive editor of Mass Device, the online news journal for the medical device industry. It's Friday, May 7th, 2021. We're still very much in the thick of earnings season. This week we've been noticing more misses from companies, but at the same time, a lot of them are reporting that they're, even though there were some like bumps early in the first quarter as the U.S. got hit with another wave of COVID, that they're seeing they're seeing procedures and sales recover as the quarter moves along, and there's a lot of optimism for the full year as vaccines continue to roll out in the United States. So now we're going to go through our Newmarkers Newsmakers, the top 5 news stories on Mass Device this week. Number 5 on the list, we've got spine surgeon Wilson S4 settling with the U.S. Department of Justice for $4.4 million. This was a whistleblower case that had been filed by 2 fellow surgeons that alleged that S4 sold his own medical devices for surgeries they performed, and that this created an unlawful economic incentive for him to use and potentially overuse his own devices on unsuspecting patients. So that case is now settled for $4.4 million. Number 4 on the list. This ran in full on our sister site, Medical Design Outsourcing, and this is about how FDA is now laying out how they're going to be resuming facility inspections as we get our way out of this pandemic. So just a lot of good details about how FDA is planning to. To resume inspections. So good thing to check out here. I guess it's a sign of normalcy for the industry, I guess, that we'll be getting more FDA inspectors at facilities. Number 3 on the list, we've got Rockley Photonics indicating an SEC filing that it might work with Apple in the future to introduce some new monitoring functions to the Apple Watch. And this is especially interesting because there have been rumors that Apple's looking to add glucose monitoring as a function to the Apple Watch. And so yeah, just a very interesting tidbit. Maybe we'll be seeing Apple coming in to compete in the glucose monitoring space. That'd be really interesting. Number 2 on the list, this was something interesting I caught in Zimmer Biomet's recent earnings call, and that's that Zimmer Biomet has expanded its relationship with the startup Canary Medical, and that they're looking to use sensor technology not just in smart knee implants, but a whole host of different, orthopedic implants. I mean, we're talking hip, we're talking shoulder. So, it'll be, for now, we're looking to see Zimmer Biomet roll out its Persona IQ later this year. This is going to be the first time we've had a smart knee implant in the ortho space, but ZB is obviously looking to use use this kind of like smart sensor technology in many more orthopedic devices. And number 1 on the list, we've actually been seeing this trend of some big medtech companies, kind of spinning off some businesses. And here we go again. We've got BD saying they're going to spin off their diabetes care business during the first half of 2022. And this is a more than $1 billion year business. It makes roughly 8 billion injection devices annually. It serves about 30 million patients. So we'll have another big medtech company out there. So that's the Newmarkers Newsmakers for the week. If you'd like to hear me discuss them more, you can check out our Device Talks Weekly podcast. That will be posting coming days. I actually discussed Newsmakers with my colleague Tom Salemi on Wednesday, so we actually do have some new stuff. I mean, it's amazing what can pop up within a few days. Also, I'm on social media. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Twitter. So follow, subscribe, and for all things medical device, go to massdevice.com.